Namaste Gurukulians. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to continue our chapter 5 decimals, and the topic that we are going to start today is comparing and ordering decimals. So let's say we have an example in which you have 10 portions of a wall in which some are shaded like this, these two are exactly similar walls with the 10 equal partitions. In the first wall, 1, 2 and 3 are shaded, and in the second part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are shaded. So you can simply compare these two and tell me which of the wall has more shaded portion, right? This will be represented by 3 out of 10, that is 0.3, and this shaded portion will be represented by 10 out of 10, 7 out of 10, that is 0.7, right? And you can simply very easily tell me which one is a greater shaded portion, which wall has greater shaded portion. So that will be 0.7. So clearly you can see that 0.7 is greater than 0.3 here, right? This was a very simple example. This can be extended to more complicated examples. So let me explain you that, and for that also you will compare them. Moving to the next example. Now let's say we have a wall with 100 partitions like we had discussed earlier. In the first 43 are shaded and the next one 51 are shaded. Then also you can easily compare. First one means 43 out of 100, that means 0.43, and the second one means 51 out of 100, that means 0.51. Here also you can easily compare and tell me that this portion 0.51 is greater than 0.43. So in this way you are going to compare the decimals. Alright. Now if we get some closer examples like 13.42 and 13.48, then let's see how to compare those type of decimals. We have got 13.42 and 13.48, right? What you will do? First of all, you will count the number of decimal places. Here the number of decimal places are 2. Here also the number of decimal places are 2. So these are like decimals. So it is fine. Now we can start comparing them. Let's compare the ones place. Ones place is same here, that is 3. Tens place is also same, that is 1. Let's move to the decimal and the places after the decimal. The tenths place in both the numbers is also same, 4. So up to here no problem was there because all the respective places have same digits. So now moving to the last digit, it is 2 here and it is 8 here, right? So you are going to compare the different digits, but mind students, you have to compare from the left hand side, not from the right hand side. You have to start from the left hand side of the number. You will start comparing the like decimals from the left hand side. First you will compare 1, 3, then you will move to the decimal places. If they are same, it's fine. This is also same, it's fine, but the next digit is different. So from here you will compare that 8 is greater than 2. So that means 13.42 is less than 13.48. 13.48 is greater than 13.42. As soon as you obtain a different digit moving from the left. So you must remember you have to start moving from the left side. If you move from the right side, then there may be problem. Then you may not get the correct answer, right? This was an example of like decimals because the number of decimal places are same here. Now I am going to tell you the comparison between unlike decimals, okay? Moving to the next topic, comparing unlike decimals. For this students, I have taken example of 2.7 and 2.25. Clearly, you observe that these are unlike decimals, because in this number of decimal places is 1, and in this number the number of decimal places is 2. So since the number of decimal places in both the numbers are not same, therefore they are unlike decimals. So how you are going to compare? The rule is same. You will start comparing from the left, right? Never from the right. But before that, make them like decimals. How you will do that? I hope you remember, students. To convert unlike decimals to like decimals, you have to find the equivalent decimal. 2.7, for 2.7 the equivalent decimal is 2.70, because the 0 at the end of decimal doesn't make any difference to the value of the number, right? Here you will not change it. Since the number of decimal places is 2, here we have made this 2. Now we have obtained like decimals from unlike decimals. The example that we were given was for unlike decimals. We have changed it into like decimal. Now you will start comparing this from the left hand side. This place, that is ones place, has digit 2 in both the numbers. Then comes decimal point. After that you have tens place. So you will compare the tens place. It is 7 here and it is 2 here. Since they are different, so you will put a greater or smaller sign according to the value. Here value of 7 is greater than value of 2. Therefore, you will put greater sign to this number digit. After that, you do not need to compare the next digit. You have to compare from the left hand side. As soon as you obtain a different number, you will stop there and you will find the result as 2.70 is greater than 2.25. This is the way to compare unlike decimals. I will do one more example on this type for you. Please note it down carefully. I am going to rub it. Next number that I am going to take for unlike decimals is 4.49 and 4.3. Let's say 4.8. Okay. Now you see number of decimal places in this number is 2 and the number of decimal places here is 1. So clearly they are unlike decimals, right? In the first step you are going to make them like decimals by finding the equivalent decimal. Here you will not change it since the number of decimal places is more here, number of decimal places is less here, so you will put a 0 at the 100th place to find the equivalent decimal of 4.8. Like this, with this step you have obtained 2 decimal places for both the numbers, so you will stop here and you have obtained like decimals for this example, right? Now you will start comparing the digits from the left hand side, like from this side. Okay. The digit at ones place in both the numbers is 4 here. Then comes decimal point. Then comes the 10th place with digit 4 in this number and digit 8 in this number. So since they are different, you will compare them and you will put greater sign towards 8. Therefore, you need not check the next digit since 9. Even if 9 is greater than 0, you do not need to check this. You will directly write that 4.49 is less than 4.8 or 480. Anyhow, you can write anyways. Alright, by this we have compared an example having unlike decimals. I hope students this concept is clear to you and you will easily do it by comparing from the left hand side. Okay students, moving ahead, let me give you a shortcut to compare decimals. For that, I am going to take an example of 7.1 and 7.33. Okay students, so since they are unlike decimals, in the first step you will make them like by putting a 0 here. Now we have obtained like decimals. You will compare these two. 7 is same, 1 is less than 3, so this number is lesser than 7.33. But without doing these steps, you can apply a shortcut like this. Without doing this, what you can do? Since here we have obtained like decimals, so you will remove the decimal point. You will compare the decimal number without taking the decimal point, like you will make it 710 and 733. By this you have obtained whole number. 710 is a whole number. 733 is also whole number. By what? You have removed the decimal point and obtained a whole number. Now you can compare it. 733 is obviously is greater than 710. So you will put a greater sign here, and 7.10 will be lesser than 7.33. Alright. Without comparing each and every digit from the left hand side, you can remove the decimal point and simply compare it. But at what point, which step you will do it? After you have converted into like decimals. Only then you will remove the decimal point. Okay students, so this one was the shortcut to compare decimals. Moving ahead, let us do the ordering of decimals, that is to arrange them into ascending and descending order. We will follow the same procedure. So students, for ordering decimals, we are considering an example in which you have been given heights of 5 students: Ila, Sanju, Somdev, Manvi and Rohan. You can see it here. Their heights are given to be equal to 1.05 meter, 1.12, 0.98, 1.2 and 1.35. You have to arrange these students in increasing order of their heights. Okay students, so first step to be followed is to convert them into like decimals. Here the number of decimal places is 2, here also 2, 2, 2, 2. So these 5 numbers are like decimals. So first step is already done for you, that they are already in like decimal form, right? In the next step, what you will do, you will remove the decimal point, that is we are going to apply the shortcut. Remove the decimal point and write them as it is: 105, 112, 98, 120 and 135. In the next step, you will arrange them in ascending order. So 98 will come first, then 105, then 112, then its greater number 120, then the greatest number, that is 135. You have arranged these numbers in increasing order of their values, right? So we'll put greater sign like this, and you will write their respective names here, and you will tell students in increasing order of their heights are Somdev, Ila, Sanju, Manvi and Rohan. Okay. In the next question, you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Let me do that also. In descending order, you arrange the numbers from greater value to smaller value. So you will apply the same concept of comparison and obtain the result. You have been given the numbers 0.7, 1.02, 0.09 and 1.1. You have to arrange these in descending order, right? First you will check they are in like or unlike. The numbers that you are given are unlike to each other. First step, you will make them like decimals by putting zeros at the required places, right? Here you will put a 0, 0.70. You have written the equivalent form of 0.7 as 0.70 to make it 2 decimal place number. Here you do not change it because decimal places are already 2. Here also you need not to change it, 0.09, keep it same. Here you will change it by putting a 0. Now you have obtained a 2 decimal place number for all the 4 decimal numbers. Alright students, so by this you have obtained like decimals. Now you will apply the shortcut to compare the numbers. You will remove the decimal point and make whole numbers from these. You will get 70, 102, 9 and 110. Now you can easily compare these and arrange them in descending order, that is from greater value to smaller value. The greater number out of all of these is 110, then comes 102, then comes 70 and the smallest number is 9, so it will come at the last. By this you have arranged the given numbers in descending order. At the end you will write their original values, that is 1.1 is greater than 1.02, is greater than 0.7, is greater than 0.09, right? So this will be the answer for this type of question. Alright students, I hope the ordering and comparing concepts are clear to you. Now let me tell you 2 examples for today's class, and in the next class we will move to the exercise, right? The question given to you is, a boat completed a lap in 13.42 seconds. That is, a boat completed a round, a fixed distance in 13.42 seconds. In the next lap it took 13.48 seconds, that is more seconds, more time. Okay, in which lap was the speed of the boat less? You can tell me easily, if the boat takes more time, that means to cover the same distance boat has taken more time, that means in that lap the speed of the boat was less, right? Yes or no? So you will compare the times, you will compare the given times, and with the help of that you will tell me in which lap the speed of boat was lesser. Okay, so let me do this example for you. So in this example students, you are given with the times the boat has taken for first and second lap. You have to compare these times, and with the help of that you will tell in which lap boat has taken less time. Okay students, so you will compare these 2 decimal numbers that are given to you, right? You will first observe that they are like or unlike. Count the number of decimal places. It is 2 here, it is 2 here, so they are like decimals, right? It is fine. The example given to you is for like decimals. Now you will remove the decimal sign and write the whole number as 1342, 1348. Alright. Now you can easily tell me which one is a greater number. Clearly 1348 is a greater number, right? So this time is more than this. That means boat has taken lesser time in the first lap as compared to the second lap, and since the time taken is lesser in the first lap, that is first round was same. In the second lap the boat has taken more time. Why it has taken more time? The distance was same but the time taken is more. That means the speed of boat must have reduced in this lap, that is second lap, right students? So your answer will be the speed of boat was less in the second lap. Okay students, so this is the answer for this example. Next one is, Seema and Aslam went to a market to buy fruits. Seema bought 2.7 kg of apples and Aslam bought 2.25 kg of oranges. Who bought more quantity of fruits? So you have to compare 2.7 with 2.25. This is example 9 on the next page. in which two weights of fruits are given to you, 2.7 and 2.25. You have to compare these two and tell who bought more quantity of fruits. Seema, Aslam. Right? So you have given the numbers 2.7 and 2.25. Clearly both are unlike, because when you count the number of decimal places, it is coming out to be 1 here and 2 here. Clearly they are not equal, so this is unlike to each other. Now you will make them like by finding the equivalent decimal for 2.7. It will be 2.70. It is same here, 2.25. Now you will compare these two by removing the decimal sign. You will make it 270 and 225. Clearly this one is greater. So Seema has brought more quantity of fruits. You will write the answer. Seema has bought more quantity of fruits. Alright friends, by this way you are going to compare decimal numbers. Alright friends, so this was all for today. Kindly revise it well, and in the next video we are going to solve exercise questions. Okay students, thank you for today.